the price of the phone is going higher and higher.
Subscribe to Technobro SA and do not forget to click that bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a video.
How can Apple charge 1 lakh rupees for their iPhone 11 Pro and Samsung charges 1.2 lakh for the S20 Ultra? But most noteworthy among them is the OnePlus. It built its reputation on cheap premium smartphone over years, but now they're charging over 50,000 rupees for the latest and greatest OnePlus 8 Pro. Is the world going crazy? Will we have to sell our organs to buy phones? Ooh, wait, maybe we have done it. What am I going to say is, without defending the high pricing, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why phones are getting expensive. So the first and foremost reason is that Qualcomm. Pretty much every high-end Android phones are made with the Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. But due to monopoly in business, they are forcing companies to buy all their inner components from them, like the GPU, then CPU, camera interface, the 5G modem, the 4G modem, etc. If you follow tech news, then you would know that the companies who wanted the new Snapdragon chipset or the Snapdragon 865, which is the latest chipset, if the company wants to buy that, then they also have to buy the 5G modem with it, or else they won't sell. So think about OnePlus. OnePlus wants to buy the latest Android Snapdragon 865. So in order to buy that, they also need to buy the 5G modem, which has to cover other costs. Like if you buy all this modem, the phone has to get larger. Then with the phone getting larger, the display also has to get larger. With display getting larger, you have to increase the battery capacity so that it can run the phone, and doing this consecutively increases the price of the phone. So this monopoly is increasing the price of the phone, as if a company doesn't want to make a 5G phone but still wants the newest processor, they can't do that. They have to buy the 5G modem and implement it in their phone. So the next reason is smartphones are getting better. Yeah, it's a fact, as they aren't getting worse. But when people complain about the prices, they are not getting the point. Tech is going to improve each and every year, so it's becoming more pricey with improvements, as it happens with cars, TVs, ACs, etc. The next point is that selling cost. So to sell a smartphone, it can cost companies over billions of dollars. In selling cost, it includes marketing, advertising, celebrity promotion, online retail price, employee price, showroom price, and whatnot. So for advertisement, first they need to shoot an ad, then they have to contact a video editing company for editing their ad. The next thing they have to do is they have to segregate the ad and target those customers who are willing to buy a new smartphone. So that is done with the help of the online social media giants like Facebook, Twitter. They segregate and target the ads. And not to mention, for making an ad, they have to borrow a reputed celebrity who will also cost more, so that people have faith and buy the new smartphone. Then not to forget is that the retail price and the showroom cost. So they need to maintain the showroom, pay the electricity bill, and also pay their employees who are working in the showroom. The next point is that phones are becoming beneficial to us. Living without a phone will be living without a limb. There are people who gained more value from the smartphone than their cars, as it replaces the need of a camera, speaker, tablet, MP3 player, and etc. Even Warren Buffett, you know Warren Buffett, if you don't know, please Google his name, told that he would pick his iPhone over his airplane. That means it. Last but not the least, the point is research and development. The companies spend a lot of money over R&D to bring out the best value of the phones you are paying. So when you see the iPhone notch or the Samsung's space zoom or Google's astrophotography, there might be many variants that might have been made because they were scrapped in the research and development facility only. So they try to bring out the best of their research and development for the customers who are buying the phones. Yes, that costs a lot of money because they have their different research and development facilities set up for each and every big smartphone manufacturing company. So with that, I'm going to end this video, so do not forget to give a big fat thumbs up, comment in the comment section about your valuable feedback, share this video with your friends who think smartphones are getting expensive without any reason, and also sub to the channel will be great. So signing off for now, bye.